Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a super easy roast chicken recipe. Here are all the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have a whole chicken. This chicken weighs about 3 pounds. This is a young chicken. Paprika, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, Creole seasoning. I have some fresh thyme, lemon, and a little bit of oil. All right, so we're gonna start by drizzling a little bit of oil. Just rub it all over the chicken, flip it over, and repeat the same steps. This is gonna allow our seasoning to marinate, super easy through the chicken, and it's also going to give our chicken a nice dark color once we toss it in the oven. So we're going to add chicken seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon. Season the inside as well. All-purpose seasoning. Flip it over. Oh yeah. Inside. Our Creole seasoning. This is a super easy recipe to make at home, guys. And this is only going to take about an hour. So once you season the chicken up, just toss it in the oven for 1 hour, and we're going to roast this chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The smoked paprika is going to add a nice flavor as well. A little bit of smoky flavor. And we're just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on the inside and stuff it. A little bit on the outside as well, just like that. And also fresh thyme leaves. Stuff it on the inside. And we're just gonna leave some on the outside as well. Okay, guys. So the chicken is now, fully seasoned. I'll let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna just toss it in the oven for 1 hour. And we should be good from there. It is looking so good. It's looking good. So this is what the chicken is looking like after roasting it for 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and it's packed with a ton of flavor. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. It's nice and soft on the inside. Check it out. See all that seasoning? Let's try a little piece. This is so good.